Get ready for the dictation in 3, 2, 1, start. I am delighted to interact with the students of Indian Institute of Democratic Leadership today. I extend a warm welcome to each and every one of you to Uprashtrapati Nivas. I am happy to know that Indian Institute of Democratic Leadership is a unique institution that aspires to create socio-political awareness among the youth, to inculcate and enhance leadership values and capacities, and to equip students with necessary skill sets for a fruitful career in politics, public affairs, voluntary organizations, and allied areas. I am told that the postgraduate program in leadership, politics, and governance is a unique interdisciplinary course designed to bridge the gap between the aspiring youth of the nation and India's democratic political entity and governance. It is truly noteworthy that this program has been designed keeping in view the need to produce trained, ethical, and responsible leaders imbibing the Honorable Prime Minister's vision, New Leaders for New India. I am happy to learn that the program has been running for 3 years and there are 25 young leaders from 12 states across India who are participating in this program this year, aspiring to be proactive leaders and contribute to the growth of New India. I am told that as a part of this program, you are on a study tour of the national capital from 1st March to 7th March to 2020, visiting various institutions like the Indian Parliament, Rashtrapati Bhavan, various ministries to closely understand their structure, functioning, and governance. Democracy in particular and politics in general are two significant areas of public life where capacity building mechanisms are grossly insufficient. In this regard, I would like to congratulate RMP and the entire team behind the IIDL program for not only identifying capacity building in this area as a capital critical need but also for making it a success. I congratulate all the scholars present here and extend my best wishes to them for a bright future in public life. Fortunately for you, today the democratic process has become much more engaging and participative than ever. The youth is much more aware of their rights and duties. They aspire to play a proactive role in the process of democracy. At the same time, the government and the political entities needs young talent equipped with the right ideas and competencies to keep pace with the changing times. I am sure that you will succeed in forging a bright future for this country. My dear young friends, Indian democracy has proved to be a miracle by the way it has expanded and consolidated in our country during the last 7 decades, assiduously defying many doomsayers. Stop. Thank you.